This biker forgot that he had the helmet strapped to the back of the bike, which was obstructing the view of the turning signals. When the cop appeared behind him, he was unsure why he was being followed.
For what? It's all on video. I didn't go 10 over, I didn't f***ing... Why?
What?
Reason for the stop?
You got your turn signal covered up with your helmet, man. I can't see when you're blinking.
Oh, shit, I forgot I have my helmet on. I'm so sorry, man. It's there if you want to see it. Because I was using my turn signal the entire time.
Where are you? I couldn't tell.
Yeah, I was. It's on video, yeah.
Hit it for me one time.
Yeah, absolutely.
So you got your driver's license?
Absolutely. Yeah, it's in my pocket. I have no weapons on me.
No, you're good, man. Go ahead.
There you go.
All right, well.
You want me to take it off?
No, you're good. You're good, man. Just hang out. I'll be right there with you.
Yes, sir. Let's see if we can get this out. It's this one.
You have a wreck recently? You have a wreck recently?
In September.
Okay. Yeah, no, I just saw you on there as the victim. It's just a warning, man.
Oh, sick. Okay.
Yeah, dude, I ain't gonna hit you with nothing on that. Like I said, I more or less just wanted to let you know. That way you don't get jacked over by somebody that would pull you over and give you a ticket, you know what I mean?
All right, all right.
Like I said, you're straight. You just can't have it covered up. You're good, man.
I appreciate it, man.
Have a good one.
You too.
This biker was followed by a cop after allegedly riding slightly over the speed limit, but he believes he was targeted simply for being on a motorcycle.
How's it going?
All right, Officer Messias, CHP. Stop before you speed back there. It's 45, you're doing 65.
Where at?
Coming this way, right before the light.
Okay. That's why.
You got your license on you?
Yeah. That's why you guys stopped making a straight right there to go left to follow me, huh? Because my speed? Not just because you guys wanted to harass a biker again?
No, man.
No, nothing to do like that?
I track my own bike.
I'm sure you do.
I got a 636.
I'm sure you do.
You want me to show you pictures?
I'm sorry, bro. I've just, the last few interactions I've had with you guys have been fucking like shit, bro. So it's like, and all of my buddies too, like you guys are just harassing us just because like you guys just want to pull over bikes, and it's, I don't know. I get it. Some of my buddies, they do stupid shit, but dude, like I saw you guys going straight and you busted a left just because you saw me. It had nothing to do with my speed. You saw the bike and you're like, let me pull him over. And you guys got behind me. I'm literally going the speed of traffic. I wasn't passing anybody or anything. I'm whatever though, do your guys' thing. You guys got your process to do.
You have insurance and reg on the bike too?
Yeah.
You mind showing me proof of that? And I'm not trying to jam you up or anything. Like I said, I ride myself. I like bikes. I appreciate you stopping.
Yeah, it's just...
I'm being honest. I saw you speeding coming up to the light, and then I locked in your speed coming this way before that light.
I'm not, I mean, I'm not going fast, bro. I'm going the speed of traffic. Everybody fucking speeds, bro. Like,
there's no cars around you, man.
Everybody's going a little bit fast, though, dude. I'm not going that fast, bro.
45 limit. 45 is the limit. You're doing 20 over.
Okay.
Right?
Okay.
You want to look at the definition of a limit? You're more than welcome.
I mean, it's whatever. Definitions or whatever, dude. There's more important things fucking going on in the world. You guys gotta fucking harass people for a little bit of, like, oh, going 5 over or whatever, dude.
This is my job. This limit.
I know, dude. Like, I don't know. I guess I just don't know why you would choose a job that's just to harass the American people. And you know, there's other things that you could be doing, and people just, I guess you choose a career that just, I don't know why you would choose a career to do something like that, bro. I just don't see how you enjoy doing something where every day basically you're just making everybody's lives harder. Whether or not you see it that way, like maybe you stop a few people who are being reckless and shit, dude, but at the end of the day, you guys are really just giving people tickets that they don't have money to pay for, or they just have to go waste time in court, and you guys don't even show up half the time.
I mean, it sounds like a benefit. Police officers aren't showing up, right?
No, because I still have to waste time out of my day to go to court, and then what? I'm not getting paid to do that. I have to take time off of work to go to court, and then I'm trying to log into my insurance right now. I don't know what the freaking password is. Hold on.
Okay, look, here's the deal. Like I said, I'm not trying to be an asshole. I'm not trying to jam you up just because you're a bike. I'm not going to give you a ticket. I'm not going to take your bike. I'm not going to do any of those things. I see a bike speeding, yeah, I'm gonna stop it. Of course, it's a
Yeah.
motorcycle. It's speeding. I'm just doing my job. I'm not trying to jam you up. I'm not trying to be an
Yeah.
Alright. Where's your license?
I'm trying to. I have the insurance, but I don't know what the freaking password is on here right
You
now.
have a freaking clean R1, dude. I'm pretty sure you have insurance.
Yeah. It's like brand new, so it's a new freaking insurance company, and I got to figure out what the thing is. But
So your tires are pretty bald in the center.
yeah, it's getting down.
So we just start looking for a new set. I usually run the Q4s. I don't know if you're familiar with those or not.
Yeah, and again, man, I'm sorry. You know, I'm not trying to give you a hard time either, but dude, the last few interactions that I've had, and that my buddies,
it's
you know,
like going to Starbucks or
yeah,
Target or whatever. Sometimes you're gonna have a rude employee. Sometimes you're gonna have a cool employee.
yeah,
I try to be a cool employee.
Yeah.
As long as everything's legit, reg, insurance, you're cool. I'm not looking for a ticket, dude.
I feel you, man.
All right.
Yeah, and I'm sorry, bro. I'm just.
You be safe, dude.
There's a lot going on in the world. I'm tense, and I'm irritated at a lot of shit. Not you specifically, just.
We've also had a few black bikes
Yeah.
from us. So
Yeah, no,
if you
and
would have ran, then hey,
yeah.
that was our guy. You know
Yeah,
what I'm saying?
I
So-
feel you, and I never run, like I know, and again, it's all the bikes kind of look the same to a lot of the cops or whatever, but
especially at a distance.
yeah, and I'll never run if they turn, like I might ride fast sometimes, but if you turn your lights on, I'm not running. I got 2 kids, I got a job, I got priorities. If take the bike if that's what needs to happen, I don't care, but
I get you, man.
yeah.
Other than that, you be safe. Keep riding.
Even after an argument, the cop turned out to be cool, and he rides bikes himself, so he understands the biker's point of view. Even though the biker was clocked for speeding, he received only a warning. And let this be a lesson: do not ever run from cops. After seeing that the cops were after him, this biker decided to pull over before even they turned on their lights, since he knew what the issue was.
I know.
I couldn't see your plate.
Yeah, no, that's why I pulled over. I thought, no, I broke my bracket off.
Yeah, that's the only reason.
Yeah.
Are you all good?
Yeah, I'm all good. Oh, thank you.
I thought you didn't have a plate.
Yeah, that's why I pulled over straight away, because I knew you were gonna see it. Didn't like a plate. Perfect.
Yeah, no, that's fine. No, that's what it was.
Yeah, I knew straight away.
So that's good.
Yeah.
44, but it's fine.
Yeah, perfect. All right, have a good day.
Yo, there was a baddie right there, bro.
Why you guys doing wheelies driving around cop cars?
I just slipped the clutch on accident.
You don't have to lie to me. I don't care, dude. I'm just asking.
I swear.
Wait, what was the question?
Like, why are you guys doing wheelies and driving around cop cars?
Oh, I don't know how to wheel it.
You did. You know that.
Because your exhaust don't melt that. I was telling
That
her the same thing. I told her
that
to
just
go
happened
right.
on the ride. Oh yeah, no, because I'm just gonna have to buy a new one.
Did you feel that?
I was just like shaking. I felt like I was
Yeah.
Matrix. Thank you. Florida, yeah?
Yes.
All right, give me one.
Even though they got caught red-handed, in the end they only received warnings. Running from the police is extremely dangerous and illegal. It puts you and everyone around you at serious risk. Always pull over safely and handle the situation the right way.
Sorry. Nah. Yo, now we gotta. Yo, book him. Yo, run. Oh my f***ing god. Oh my f***ing god, I almost got my head chopped off. Run, bro, run, go. Run.